Hello everyone, I'm Michael, and today I am here with my two friends Valerio and Lewis,
Hi, I'm Valerio.
Hello, I'm Lewis.
and today we'll be talking to you about marshes. There are 5 parts of the marsh. The first are salt pans, and these are depressions in the ground that hold twice as much salt as in the seawater. The next are low marsh, and this is the part of the marsh that is flooded daily. The next part are uplands, and this is the transition from marsh to forest. These hold many shrubs and open broad-leaved trees. Next are high marsh, and this forms where daily flooding has trapped sediment. And lastly, there are mosquito ditches, and these are handmade trenches that have been made to hold out diseases carried by mosquitoes.
Hi, it's Valerio, and I'm here to talk to you about the various animals of the marsh. Diamondback terrapins. These reptiles eat a mixture of plants and animals. Blue crabs. These crabs seek prey in tidal creeks and mosquito ditches. Green crabs. These crabs eat shellfish, seaweed, and worms in large quantities. Seaside sparrow and sharp-tailed sparrow. These birds make their nests in the marsh grasses. Osprey, the bird also known as the fishhawk. Minnows, they confuse their predators by swimming in schools and by camouflage.
Hey everyone, it's Michael again, and now I'm here to talk to you about the plants of the marsh. The first is the sumac, and this plant provides food and shelter to birds. Next is the salt marsh cordgrass, and this plant grows along the water's edge of the low marsh, and it can survive in different salinity ranges. Next is the salt marsh asters auroch, and this plant adds color to the marsh in spring and fall. Next is the common reed or phragmites, and the stem of these plants can reach up to 15 feet. Next is the glasswort, and this plant grows in the salt pans, and it looks like a field of tiny spineless cacti. Lastly is the sea lavender, and this plant grows in the low marsh.
Hey, I'm Lewis, and these are some vocab terms you should know about the marsh. The first word is crustacean, and that's any animal having a hard shell. Salinity is the second word, and that means salty water or a salty solution, or how much salt is in water. The next term is brackish, and that means a mixture of fresh and salt water. Univalves are animals having only one shell, such as a snail. Estuaries are where fresh water, such as a river mouth, meets salty water, such as oceans. Reptiles are cold-blooded animals that fit under the category of reptilia. Camouflage is when animals use tactics to blend into their surroundings so they're not noticed. Bivalve are animals having 2 shells, such as ribbed mussels